Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option on this device. So first let's open the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to voice section. After that tap to the voice match and click here to get started. Now just let's tap to next, click yes I agree, tap to continue, not now, and we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. But that's not enough, we should also add our voice model. That's why click here to retain voice model and say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just let's tap to finish. Not now again. And now one will say okay Google or Hey Google. We can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.